IBM Watson Assistant is an AI-powered chatbot platform designed to enhance customer interactions on websites. It promises to provide smart, automated responses for businesses, improving engagement and efficiency. In this review, I'll be giving an in-depth look at my experience with IBM Watson Assistant. First, the setup process is relatively straightforward. The platform offers an easy-to-use interface for configuring the chatbot. However, it's important to note that it can take a bit of time to fine-tune the system to fully align with your specific business needs. While Watson Assistant does offer a lot of customization options, it may require a certain level of technical knowledge to get the most out of its capabilities. The chatbot integrates with various messaging channels, making it versatile for different platforms. The response quality is impressive. The AI is capable of handling multiple queries and can even carry on more natural conversations. However, like any AI system, it's not flawless. Occasionally, the chatbot may misunderstand user queries or provide responses that aren't fully relevant. This can lead to a bit of frustration for users and requires continuous monitoring to ensure optimal performance. Another feature I appreciate is its analytics dashboard. It gives useful insights into customer interactions, allowing businesses to refine their chatbot's responses and optimize customer engagement. One downside I encountered is the cost. IBM Watson Assistant can be on the pricier side, especially for small businesses that are just starting out. However, if you're looking for an enterprise-level solution, it offers significant value in terms of scalability and functionality. Overall, IBM Watson Assistant is a powerful tool for businesses looking to enhance their customer service capabilities. It's not perfect, but when used correctly, it can help reduce response times and improve overall customer satisfaction. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. If you're considering IBM Watson Assistant for your business website, I recommend taking advantage of the free trial to see how it fits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this, and like the video if you found it helpful.